Coucou les amis, bienvenue à la page 16 du livre. Hi my friends, welcome to page 16 of the book. Now we are on the category which is called pour aller plus loin. Pour aller plus loin means to go further. So in these pages, I'll always give like extra materials so you can learn further French. Usually it's funnier. Like for example, today I'm gonna show you the best swear word in French. I'm gonna share with you some meme. I'm gonna share with you a video game so you can exercise your French and some WhatsApp stickers. Ok? On ne perd pas de temps. Continuons. Alors, on va commencer par the best swear word in French, the best bad word, the one we use the most, and it is putain. Putain. Alors, what does it mean? Literally means I don't even know how to pronounce it in English, like whore or prostitute. But French people, as myself, we rarely use to call someone a prostitute. We use it more like to swear for any reason, for a good or a bad reason. If you are surprised, if you are angry, you can use putain. And it's a good word I love to teach to my student. Actually, normally it's my first lesson because you can find the U that we learned, pu, and the sound un, which is like the nasal. You use it, you use your nose. It's un, it's the same sound that the number. Un. Un, deux, trois, un. Putain. Ok, alors look at this. Différentes utilisations de putain. Exprimer la surprise, to express the surprise. Oh putain, il fait froid! Oh là, putain, il fait froid. It's like super cold outside. Exprimer la colère ou la frustration. If you are angry. Putain de voiture! Alors, in English, it would be, I don't know, like maybe fucking car. Putain de voiture. Oh putain, j'ai oublié mes clés. Oh shit, I forgot my keys. Ok? Or something positive. Oh, c'est putain de bon. It's like very good. Obviously, don't use this in a professional environment. Hein? You use it with your friends. Exaspération. Like, for example, putain, dépêche-toi. Like, fuck, hurry up. Okay? It's some example, but we use it for many, many things. Every people use it. Even my mom, but she doesn't use a lot of swear words. She says a lot, putain. Actually, she uses a softener version, a soft version of putain. If you don't want to use swear words, I'm gonna give you some alternatives. For example, you can say punaise. Oh, punaise is like very elegant. Punaise is a pin. It starts with the same pu. Or you can say purée, you know, like purée de pommes de terre, purée de patates. Okay, if you would like, you like to cook, you can say purée. Okay, it's also like to swear, but really soft, really cute. Punaise, purée. Alors, soft now, what is almost like putain, but which is just like tin. Tin. We don't almost no, don't pronounce the P. Tin. That's the one my mom used. Tin. Tin. Ok, alors si tu veux être poli avec mamie, hein, if you want to be nice with your grandmother and don't say putain in front of her, you can use this punaise, purée, putain. Ok, alors look at this. On your book, I wrote this. Regarde cette vidéo pour faire semblant de parler français. Look at this video to fake French. You can find it on YouTube, How to Fake French. I search it for you, huh? Don't worry. But if you want to see this video later, there is a very funny video. It's just 2 minutes, and then we end this lesson, which is called How to Fake French. And they give you strategies to fake, French, even if you don't know any words of French. It's also a video I show to my student on the first lesson. I say, okay, maybe you just gonna come at this first lesson, and then you are tired of French, but at least take these tips with you. Okay, we're gonna see it together.
Vraiment délicieux. On est allé au Louvre. C'est fou parce que tu connais toutes ces peintures et finalement quand tu les vois en vrai, c'est la même chose. Quand tu les vois en vrai, tu peux voir un Van Gogh, voir un Monet comme ça. C'est quelque chose de... Non, c'est vraiment un choc. Hein. Je pense que même les gens qui n'apprécient pas forcément l'art doivent admettre que...
Alors, donc ici, la française hein, qui parle, she speaks and she speaks, hein, elle parle, elle parle, elle parle. Et cette personne, elle montre un enthousiasme pour le vin. She shows an enthusiasm for the wine. Yeah, we like very much wine in France. Yeah, just take your wine and just make some noise or some gesture with your hands and yeah, you can fake like you understand French. So c'est la première étape, la première stratégie.
Et même s'il est plein de défauts, c'est lui que j'ai dans la peau.
Ah oui, mais il a été con, il a été con.
Make sounds with your mouth. Alors, listen very well to all the sounds that she's making, because literally, um, I think she spent some months or years in France because it's not a caricature. We use actually a lot of bizarre sounds with our mouth.
Il est tout le temps en train de lui dire oui, alors tu t'habilles comme si... Oui, tu vois ce que je veux dire. Oh là là. Voilà, non, c'est ça, c'est toujours pareil. C'est toujours la même chose. Non, mais j'espère qu'il va se calmer un petit peu, hein, parce que là, je ne peux pas vivre comme ça. Je ne peux pas vivre comme ça.
Alors, actually, there is a translation of all these sounds in French. For example, when she's doing, if a French is doing like this, it just means I don't know. It means je sais pas, je ne sais pas. Okay, it's easier to make. If you ask someone, if you ask a French about something and his answer to you, je sais pas. She's making a lot of noise, like indignation, like if we would spit on someone. She's doing like the oh la la, the famous oh la la. When you are surprised, we said oh la 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 la. Even if you like football or the sport, in the commentary, we can listen a lot of those. Where when something incredible is going, like oh la 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 la, incroyable. So yeah, you can make some noise in French to fake French.
Un fait tel qu'il est, il me plaît.
Bon, à manger, hein, tu peux boire du vin, drink wine, et manger du pain, manger une baguette.
Non, non, de toute façon, la semaine prochaine, je repars à Paris et on verra bien. On verra bien. On verra bien, la relation continuera, se continuera pas. De toute manière, il n'aime pas la même musique que moi. Il n'aime pas la même musique que moi. Ça sert à rien. Ça sert à rien. C'est inutile. C'est complètement inutile.
Et celui qui l'a dans la main, c'est pas du poil.
Ah, use swear words to emphasize approval. Maybe she gonna use putain.
Hier, j'ai fait une soirée avec des Américains. Putain. Ils étaient là, non, oui, nous en Amérique, nous aux États-Unis.
C'est la merde.
Exactement.
Putain.
On est vachement plus évolué que vous. N'importe quoi, n'importe quoi.
Putain,
On a
merde.
le vin. On a le vin. Désolé, ils sont pas capables de faire du vin potable. Ah, au niveau de la musique.
Merde.
Je suis désolée, je suis désolée. Non, non, vraiment, vraiment.
Vraiment. Putain. Ah oui, non.
Mondial, mon cul.
Mon cul.
Me plaît.
Alors, actually, she teaches you a second one. Alors, she says putain, and then she says c'est la merde, it's a shit, and then she combine both, putain merde, putain merde, and she ends with mon cul, my ass, putain, putain merde, mon cul. Good strategy. Alors, there is a last one, but it's not like so fun. I'm gonna put it for you.
Arrive quand même. Après la...
Alors, Becherel, what is it? It's like a famous book for grammar and conjugation in French. I don't recommend it for you. If you want some recommendation, I can recommend better books. Okay. This one is like really specialized. It's more for native people. If you are learning French, there is better books if you want to really focus on grammatical conjugation. Okay. Bah, très bien, c'est fini pour cette leçon. À bientôt. Au revoir.